Welcome back to Adventures of Vehicles. We're here today checking out a Army truck, an 86 M1008, in other words known as a CHEVYS. We're going to be doing a cold start on this thing, and later on we'll do another video with me running my welder on this truck. I already did another video on this truck where we drove around, drove the drivability and stuff of it. You'll have to check that video out. I'll leave a link in the description on that. But it's about 18 degrees, it was 15 degrees earlier this morning, it's warmed up a little bit. So we're going to get this thing started up. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, we're going to cycle these glow plugs a couple times so you guys can see it. Shut this door, it's cold. Alright, that was once. We're going to go ahead and do it twice for good measures. Alright, let's give her a crank. No smoke, it runs good. Now I don't know if that's 142,000 or if that's 42,000 miles on this truck. But looking at the gas and brake pedal on this thing, I would say that it's most likely 42,000 miles. Well, that's it for this episode. We will come back and re-adventure this truck again. And we run the welder on it, so stay tuned for that, guys.